That's so funny. Oh my god.
Isn't that funny?
Yeah, it's like they're cleaning his feathers.
I know.
Yeah, cleaning his feathers. Here, let me take another picture.
What's it? I'm recording.
I know, but I'd like to take a picture. Please?
I'm recording.
That one just... Oh, he's laying. He's probably gonna poop on you.
Kind of funny.
They have no control.
Well, you know, you feed them. You're the one that feeds them. I
They
bet
probably
you.
do think he's the dad.
What?
They probably do think he's the dad.
Yeah.
That is funny.
Save me from
I'm scared of those things, and he's just like laying with them.
Can I take another picture?
Hannah! Over here! Over here. Over here. Hannah, punch me again! Punch me again, Hannah!
Come here, Hannah.
Punch me again! Come
You run by him again. They're gonna get you. So careful, Hannah. They're gonna get you. Oh. No. Hannah, careful. The geese might bite you, honey.
Can I take another picture, Jessie?
Okay.
Picture, please.
Okay.
Oh, that's really cute. I'm missing that. Jessie, please.